Inec hereby informs the public that only Nigerians 18 years and above who have never registered to vote should register during this last phase of the ongoing continuous voter registration ending on Thursday, 30th June 2022. Those who want to transfer their voting location or replace lost or damaged voters' cards or correct their information such as spelling of names, dates of birth, etc. should not register afresh but indicate as such for action by Inec. This is to prevent double registration, as the names of persons who registered from 2011 are still valid in the Register of Voters. Previously registered voters up till December 2021 can collect their PVCs at the registration centers. Please note that online pre-registration will be suspended on Monday, 30th May 2022. This message is from the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. INEC, making your votes count, consolidating our democracy.